Thank you for joining us. Welcome to Global Education Management. My name is Frederick Young. I'm the director of the company. And today I'm going to go through the general procedures for our programs. This is very much a generic presentation and can alter depending upon the specific programs that you take with us. The first point of contact would be normally through a presentation or an online interaction. The way to proceed will be the first step to send us your resume or your CV or bio data. This needs to be a very clear document with your photos of your professional look and image, with your work experience, your education, dates, and specifically your skills and the tasks that you have been involved with. This helps us give you the best consultation about the programs and how to maximize your opportunities. The next step would be to arrange a free of charge Zoom consultation with us. And we use an online system that all our representatives will be able to guide you on and make a comfortable time for you in your time zone. And we'll send you a Zoom link for you to access. That would be an opportunity for us to learn a little bit more about your background, your eligibility for particular programs, your ambitions, your questions and doubts that you may have. You're more than welcome to invite your parents to that session. We will be writing notes and we'll send you a copy of that report. And on that basis, if you're eligible, we would go forward and send you registration documents. These are in clear black and white, terms and conditions, program specifications, expectations, and financials. And this will be emailed to you seeking your consent and agreement. Do take your time to go over those documents, ask further questions, or indeed book another Zoom consultation with us to clear any doubts and any questions that you may have. After we register you and you make initial registration payments, we will start collecting the documents that we need to progress your application. So this would be normally for the relevant visa sponsor or the relevant authorities in the countries that you may be interested in. At the same time, we will be negotiating with the host for a training opportunity for yourself to match the eligibility and criteria of the programs. After this has been done, we will then be sending those documents to the relevant authorities. They could be visa sponsors, an example of the US or in Australia, or they could be the particular government departments, if it were for France, for example, and in the UK, the relevant visa sponsor as well. At that point, we will gather your documents for visa authorities that you would need, and we'll give you a document list, a very clear document list, and we'll go through that with you, or our representatives will do that, and we'll guide you step by step on the format of those documents, including checking any specific pieces of information and evidence that you send to us. And if necessary, we would pass you to our visa sponsors or our immigration advisors who are experts on the specifics and situations that you may personally have. At this point, we reach step 5 of our process. Everything has been submitted. You have got a training opportunity. You've already gone through a process of consultation, clear terms and conditions with us, and expectations, program information. Then, if needed, we will apply to the embassy. So in the case of the US, there is an embassy that we need to apply to, France the same, and the United Kingdom. For Australia, this is done in country, so there's no need to go to an embassy. The embassy process would involve booking an appointment. Our visa agent will help you for that. We'll check your documents and indeed help you with the process of getting back your passports. And hopefully you will get your visa. We have very good success rate, more or less 100% success rate for our visas. Once you get your visa, the next stage is to speak with a relevant host about a convenient time for you to arrive. We don't recommend that you book your flight until we have the final say and confirmation from the host. At that point, we would also arrange an orientation, if we haven't done so to that point, with you, where you would have a face-to-face consultation with us about the preparation, things to bring, situations, key resources, key telephone numbers, and we'll clear your doubts and questions. Your parents and your school are more than welcome to join the orientation event, which we run on a weekly basis here. At that point, also, you'll get a handbook, so you can have the information in black and white and portable with you. And then we will guide you for your arrival. We do have a travel partner and who is happy to guide you on flights and onward travel. And those costs would be extra to our program. At the same time, our programs have an insurance package that varies on the countries. So in the case of Australia, the US, that is provided by the visa sponsors and is included in their fees. In the UK, you have a choice of insurance companies. And in the case of France, you have to apply for Schengen visa insurance. And our travel partners can advise you of the local products that will be best for you. We've taken thousands of students and candidates through the processes, and this is a generic steps that everyone has gone through from 1 to 7, as you can see on the slide. There may be specific steps or details that depend upon the program, and we're happy to consult with you on that. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact our local representatives or come to our website, which is www.gemplacements.co.uk. And we look forward to helping you. Thank you very much.